Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with his Spanish counterpart Pedro Sanchez, on Monday jointly inaugurated the Tata Aircraft Complex for manufacturing C-295 aircraft at Tata Advanced Systems Ltd campus in Vadodara. Addressing the gathering, the Spanish Premier said with the inauguration of the facility, world is witnessing how an extraordinary project between two emblematic companies becomes a reality. This partnership between Airbus and Tata will contribute to the progress of the Indian aerospace industry and will open new doors for the arrival of other European companies, he added. Echoing the sentiments, PM Modi said the facility will strengthen India-Spain relations as well as Make in India, Make for the World mission. He further said India is witnessing unprecedented growth and transformation in the aviation sector, and this ecosystem will pave the way for Made in India civil aircraft in the future. 56 aircraft are there under the C-295 program, of which 16 are being delivered directly by Airbus from Spain and the remaining 40 are to be made in India. Tata Advanced Systems Ltd is responsible for making these 40 aircraft in India.
Today, we are not only officially inaugurating a cutting-edge industrial facility, today we're also witnessing how an extraordinary project between two emblematic companies becomes a reality.
पिछले एक दशक में भारत के एविएशन सेक्टर की अनप्रेसिडेंटेड ग्रोथ और ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन को देखा है। हम देश के सैकड़ों छोटे शहरों तक एयर कनेक्टिविटी पहुंचा रहे हैं। हम पहले से ही भारत को एविएशन और एमआरओ डोमेन का हब बनाने के लिए काम कर रहे हैं। ये इकोसिस्टम भविष्य में मेड इन इंडिया सिविल एयरक्राफ्ट का रास्ता भी बनाएगा।
Later in the day, both the leaders held delegation-level talks at the Laxmi Vilas Palace in Vadodara. Sanchez is on his maiden visit to India, which is also the first by any Spain Prime Minister in last 18 years. Sanchez is also scheduled to visit Mumbai, where apart from official engagements, he will interact with trade and industry leaders, think tanks and the film industry before embarking for Spain.